Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your conference call problem on Redmi 13C mobile phone. How you can fix these if you are in the WhatsApp conference or normal conference or Wi-Fi calling. How you can fix these. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings, go to apps, click on manage apps, and here you have to find phone. Right here phone, and here it is. Click on phone, and then you have to clear the cache first, and you can also clear the data. Press back, and then you have to clear the WhatsApp cache. Clear this cache like this and press back, and then you have to press back and go to SIM card and mobile networks. Go to SIM, and here it is, make call using Wi-Fi. Use Wi-Fi to make and receive whenever possible. You have to enable this, and you have to enable this Volt. Use Volt to improve the quality of voice calls conference. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.